Hey, hi. So today we're going to talk about this Cool Cove AC. And when I'm reviewing products like this, even before I decide if it's legit or not, I usually first consider the obvious things. Okay, for example, when you talk about an AC, you have to ask yourself, does it contain a compressor? Okay, is there a refrigerant? Is it actually a thermoelectric cooler? Is it an evaporative cooler? Where does the heat generated during cooling go? Okay, does the manufacturer actually provide the cooling capacity specifications? When you check on a website, these guys say it can really cool any room. Okay, and that statement may be actually not I can say not legit because how big the room is, it can't just cool any room. Okay, that is the truth. It can't just cool any room in just 60 seconds. Okay, this is kind of something that really is too hyped. Okay, does it cool the rooms instant? Okay, because on the website it says like instant cooling. Okay, so can really this small device do that kind of calling instant? Okay, because even I know of some ACs which can't really also do instant calling. So you have to know that a conventional air conditioner removes heat from the inside the room and transfers it outside. That's why Sprint ACs have outdoor units and portable ACs usually have exhaust hoses. So Cool Cove AC or Cool Core AC doesn't appear to have a comparable way to remove heat from the room. So even if the air coming directly from the device feels cooler, that doesn't necessarily mean it can actually lower the temperature of any room. We're talking about any room, like football, of course, okay, it can be not be a football field, but if you say it can cool any room, any size of the room, it's kind of looks kind of to be a hype. You could simply be actually paying an AC. You could simply be paying an AC level price for what is essentially an expensive fan or personal cooling device. In other words, this is more of a fancy fan. If you look into all the adverts about similar kind of portable ACs that they say they are portable ACs, you find out when you dig into it, they're usually actually just portable fans, not actually real ACs. Then when you check on the website when it was started, this guy started on last month, that is June. We're in July. July is ending. They have just made a month. And something which actually shocks me about this website is sometimes this website just disappear, especially a new website. That's why actually for me, I rather buy from maybe Amazon or eBay such products because these days this website kind of disappear, especially the new products. Sorry, the new website. Someone kind of comes up with a website, then a few weeks, a few months, 2 or 3 months, it's off. For me personally, I take this precaution. If a website is new, I usually kind of buy that product from Amazon because there it's easy to kind of follow up with the refunds and also Amazon and those big platforms usually take some precautions to verify some of these sellers. Okay, so you might safer buying a product like this on Amazon than directly on the website because these websites they're just popping up every month. There's so many essays like this which you have reviewed. All of them come with different names. Today it's called this. Tomorrow it's going to be called some other name. Okay, so that is what I can say. If you're kind of a person who is afraid of falling victim to some ads online like me, for me, I first check when is the website. If a product, even if it's, I know it may be legit. As long as it hasn't made like 1 year, I prefer actually buying it from an online big e-commerce site like Amazon or eBay, you know. So there you kind of, there's some protection than sometimes buying from a website which may be off in the next few hours or in the next month or a few weeks, okay? So that's it. That's what I can say about Cool Cove Portable AC. There's not a lot of data to say it's scamming people or it's legit. So I can't really do that conclusion. But to what I can say, me personally, if a website is kind of new, like actually a month or 2 months, there's no way I'm going to buy a product from a website which is just 1 month or 2 months. Seriously, guys, okay? So what I usually do, I just try to go on Amazon and try to find a similar product like that, or actually a product like that, because some of these sellers usually list their products on Amazon. Then I try to buy from Amazon. So that's what I can say about Cool Cove AC, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're interested in videos like this, okay? Bye-bye.